text here. Using our app, you can also drag and drop your own content or take photos of pages and have Speechify read them out loud to you. With our Google Chrome XDay, a trader can use numerous indicators and tools when trading Forex. Each tool has its features and methods. When combined with other indicators, these tools can help Forex traders achieve the goals they have set. However, the difficult task here for traders is to understand and select the indicator or tool that can help them with their trading plan and benefit their trading style. Traders want a tool that requires minimal effort and provides as much support as it can. There are multiple reasons for which traders need an indicator. One such reason is to determine the buy-sell signals in the market. The MT4 buy-sell indicator is a tool that can help traders get answers to many questions with just one tool. This indicator is trendy amongst Forex traders because it is easy to apply to the MT4 chart and does not require the trader to use multiple lines or data charts to derive any signals. What is the buy-sell MT4 indicator? As the name suggests, the buy-sell indicator is an indicator that tells traders about when to take the buy and sell position on the Forex price chart. This tool is a preference of many traders because it can provide solid indications of the trend and its reversals. In addition, it helps them simplify the hassle of choosing one or more indicators because this one tool alone is enough to provide them with a straight answer. When you apply this indicator to your MT4 terminal chart, you will not see any complicated lines, charts, or histograms on the terminal screen. Instead, it uses a filter of custom price action and a mixture of 3 different indicators. In addition, it indicates the exit entry points through red and green arrows. This convenient feature makes it suitable for both experts and beginners. How to use the buy-sell indicator while trading Forex. This indicator can identify the buying and selling points in the currency pair chart. You can also trace down the exit entry points by using this indicator. Furthermore, this indicator is much more suitable when the market is highly volatile, which is generally when the New York and London sessions are active. However, a trader must ensure that this indicator is not suitable for any significant economic news. This indicator is used to identify the buy signal and the sell signal for 2 purposes. First, to simplify it for the trader, the indicator represents these signals with green and red arrows. So let's understand briefly how a trader can identify these signals through the arrows. Red arrow or sell signal. The indicator displays a red arrow and dotted lines at the upper part of the chart, indicating the sell signal. This intimates traders that the market may take a bearish trend, and it is time for them to take a short position. The dotted lines on the chart act as a resistance level, and, according to their judgment, traders can place a take profit level near these dotted lines. However, it is advisable to be aware of how to use this indicator or take the help of other indicators to confirm the signals. Green arrow or buy signal. The green arrow at the bottom of the chart indicates the buy signal. These green arrows inform traders that the market may take a bullish trend, and it is safe for them to take a long position. The dotted lines act as a support level. With this indicator, you have the freedom to either choose your stop loss level, or it can automatically calculate it for you. If you put your stop loss level manually, you can take the help of the dotted lines to identify it better. Any trader who wishes to make their Forex trading hassle-free can opt for this indicator. This indicator is free to use and download and least complicated to work with. Any trader, expert or novice, can conveniently use it. The best part about this indicator is that it does not require any complex analysis of information. You can apply this indicator to your MetaTrader 4 and start trading with the help of the arrows and dotted line. A market is an unpredictable place and changes without warning. So, traders are advised to be aware of such changes and not make too quick decisions. Instead, they must conduct a careful analysis using a set of indicators and tools.